Cloud Datastore is getting an upgrade. Hortonworks partners with Google Cloud to expand hybrid data analytics, and you can now back up your Cloud PubSub streaming ingest to cloud storage. I'm Matt with Linux Academy, and these stories are up next on this edition of Google Cloud Weekly. Let's talk databases. Cloud Firestore is a new database offering that will be the eventual upgrade/replacement for Cloud Datastore. Now, in case you aren't aware, Cloud Datastore is Google's current serverless, high-performance, and NoSQL database ideal for mobile applications and other NoSQL database needs. Now, Datastore was originally introduced with Google App Engine about 10 years ago, so it might be due for an upgrade. So, why are we talking about this now? Well, as of last week, Firestore just became more available to more users along with new modes of operation. Previously, only a native mode was available which used Firestore-specific features such as real-time updates and expanded web client libraries. The newest change is that a Datastore mode has been added, which supports your existing Datastore data with no changes necessary. Cloud Firestore in Datastore mode loses the native mode features, but it's still an overall improvement over Datastore in that the data is always strongly consistent, which is not always the case in Datastore. Now, be aware that at some point, Cloud Firestore is going to leave beta and become the de facto replacement for Datastore. Don't panic though, because when that transition takes place, your existing Datastore database will be automatically upgraded to Firestore in Datastore mode with no code changes or downtime required. Let's move on to data analytics and new partnerships. Now, you may be aware that Cloud Dataproc service on Google Cloud lets you run Hadoop and Spark jobs in a managed environment. However, if you still run Hadoop ecosystem jobs both on premises and on Google Cloud, managing both environments can be a little bit of a challenge. Enter Hortonworks, which is a managed provider of data platforms such as Hadoop. Last week, both companies announced a new partnership in which Hortonworks Data Platform, or HDS for short, is now fully supported on Google Cloud. This gives customers a wide range of large-scale data analytics solutions across both hybrid and multi-cloud deployments. In simple terms, it allows you to essentially mix and match Hadoop distributions across multiple platforms, including Google Cloud. Finally, wouldn't it be nice to have a handy backup of all your Cloud PubSub streaming data, just in case something in your pipeline just wasn't working right? Well, now you can. Cloud Dataflow now has a simple template called Cloud PubSub to GCS text, which is available from the web console that streams PubSub events into text files in cloud storage. Now, why would you want this? Let's say you've built a streaming pipeline on top of PubSub and Dataflow that runs in production. You later find out that some of your streaming events are not formatted correctly and need to investigate it without disturbing your existing pipeline. This capability will give you the ability to create a separate stream of your events into Cloud Storage Bucket for further analysis. This feature is available now, so go check it out. That's going to wrap up this edition of Google Cloud Weekly. As always, I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe to the Linux Academy YouTube channel to keep up with all the latest news in Google Cloud, and I'll see you next week.